Please be sure you have your phonics page, worksheet number 117. Please be sure your name is up at the top of your page. Number 1, I'm going to say a sound and I want you to write the letter or letters that make that sound. Number 1, ch. Number 2, a. Number 3, Number 4, Number 5, sh. Number 6, v. Number 7, h. Number 8, j. Number 9, eh. Number 10, f. Let's practice spelling words. Both of these words have irregular spellings. Please put your finger by number 11. Spell the word eat. Put your finger by number 12. Spell the word great. Echo these words and listen for the sound in the final position. Fudge, badge, edge. What sound do you hear in the final position? Good job, j. There are 3 letters making the j sound. Look at these words and see if you can tell me what those letters are. What is making the j sound? Good job, D-G-E. How many letters are in j? 3. What do you think D-G-E is called? It is called a trigraph. How do you know this isn't a digraph? Good job, because 3 letters make the sound, not 2. How do we code trigraphs? Good job, we underline them. Can you hear the sounds of D or E? No. How should we code them? Good job. Let's cross them out. Does the G make a hard or soft sound? Remember, a hard G says g, g, g. A soft G says j, j, j. Good job. It is a soft sound G, j. How should we code it? Good job. We'll put a dot up above it to show that it makes a soft sound. Do these words need any other coding? Let's look at fudge first. We've already coded the trigraph j. Now let's take a look at the rest of the word. Good job. The U is a short vowel, so we're going to put a breve. Let's look at the word badge. Good job. A is also a short vowel, so we're going to put a breve above that also. Let's look at the word edge. The E is a short vowel also. Let's talk about spelling the j sound. In the initial or the beginning and the medial or middle positions, we spell the j sound with the letters J or G. We've talked about this rule before. When we use the J, it is before A, O, or U. When do we use G? Before E, I, or Y. When you spell the final J sound, you spell it with DGE or GE. English words don't usually end in dotted letters, so they cannot end in the letter J because it's a dotted letter. How is the J sound spelled in these words? Good job, it's a trigraph, DGE. What kind of vowel comes before DGE in these words? Good job, a short vowel. DGE almost always comes after a short vowel. How is the J sound spelled in these words? The letters GE. Good. What comes before the letters GE in these words? The word bulge has a consonant before the letters GE. In the word hinge, the letters GE, before those comes a consonant also. And in cage, before the letters GE is a long vowel sound. When the J sound comes after anything that's not a short vowel sound, we spell it with the letters GE. This is a spelling rule. DGE comes after a short vowel. GE comes after anything else. When we think of DGE, we should think of the word bridge. This trigraph DGE should be coded like this. Please grab your paper, and on number 13, I want you to use the letters to spell the sound J. This could be the letter J. It could be the letter G. It could be the letters DGE, or it could be the letters GE. It's up to you. Let's practice spelling the words with the J sound. Remember, trigraph DGE is used in the final position after a short vowel. Point to number 14 and spell the word bridge. Point to number 15 and spell the word badges. Point to number 16 and spell the word pledge. When you are done with that, please code the words from 17 to 26 and complete the sentences on the back according to the picture. It gives you words in a box that you can use to help you with your picture. Please be sure you spell those words correctly in your writing because they are on your page, and also be sure that you are using your J sound that we just learned today.